Behind me is the Pacific Ocean.
Diyan kami napasok yung barko.
Very beautiful out here. You can see this sa mga hillside, and then mga bahay. Tapos dito kami sa isang napakalaking rock. Sa ilalim nito, cave, na kapag high tide, hindi makapasok kasi pupasok ang tubig sa baba na pupunta ng tubig yan. Sarap ng hangin dito. It's very, there's a healing effect somehow that I feel. Wondrous place. Galing. Galing. See that? Sunset's so beautiful. My wife, Iris. Brother-in-law Mark and Utoy. And brother Jeff went down now with Lily, their dog.